Very interesting.
In the shop. Where are we?
Shop.
You got coin.
Are you the merchant?
I'm not the merchant.
Are you selling
I'm a
elixirs?
traveler here. Welcome to the meat hall of the tavern.
Hello.
Jovi, we're back.
Yeah.
We're using the same trail.
Yeah. I know.
Miss Paula. Welcome back.
Tumang Kapanan. We're going back, so mas mahirap nung going. We're to Mga Kapanan.
Taking it easy today, going to Tuay Falls. Just an hour, or 2 hours away from Sitio. So, ironically, it's one of those falls we hardly visit. It's really nice, especially this rainy season. It's gonna be a good recovery day after doing some back-to-back long runs, which is the start of our block of doing so. Jovi got lost. Retrieving Jovi. Come on! Come on! Let's go! Come on!
Nice. Oh, what happened to your tail?
You remember us? Huh? You remember us? Huh?
Come on! See that? You see that? Deltoids. Mortimer! Kervin's back, and he eventually found his calling. No more abibayasis.
It's you again.
What's that?
Atlas. 160, just enough to power me through the next.
Oh shit! Yeah. Good job, man.
Okay, just find our way, navigating our way to get to the falls. We don't know where we're going, don't have a map.
We're lost. According to Simon, he is the map.
Getting lost is relative. It's up to you if you wanna consider yourself lost or just exploring the area. So regardless, it's a win-win. Well, it's a win.
Hey, Mortimer.
Find our way. This dog has been following us for the last 10 km. Looks like it's gonna be with us the whole way. 11 km in, we're navigating our way. Views on the lead, tracking down.
We're going somewhere, but I just know I hear water.
Yeah, well, that's one factor actually to know if you're going the right way, if you're following the right current direction, and there's no trail anyway. It's the only trail. So I assume that people still pass here because it's still pretty established, even though it's narrow. But yeah, turns out to be
Beautiful and scenic.
yeah. We thought it was going to be really established and, you know, straightforward, but it isn't. It isn't. It's a lot of ups and downs and a little bit of bushwhacking. So we made a U-turn. We saw a local hunter. He says we overshot the falls for about an hour. So it's pretty far. In terms of talking to mountain people, an hour means really far because they walk fast. So we're turning back. It's not an issue. Getting lost is nothing new to us. Consider it part of an adventure.
Come on, baby. Let's go.
Finally, we found some people who were awake and were able to point us the way. I guess we really overshot by 5 km or so.
Hey yo, I found it. Over there.
Time for anything.
Come on! Who needs a selfie?
When you're laughing along with me, got you by my side and we're burning on through the night. You and I, we one desire, laying the wildfire. We're burning on through, we're burning on through the night.
Back to Wawa now. We overstayed. We enjoyed too much of our rest time and downtime. We ate noodles, but yeah, the falls is beautiful. Yeah. If you're in Ayas, which is there, you can see the falls from there. Uphill.